Good evening, everybody. Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So let's look at Tesla today. So we closed down $45.22, 5.88%, closed at 724.37. Post market, we are down by 99 cents. So let's look at what we have here. So 2 days ago, we stopped at 695.46. Then we had a nice bounce on Friday. So we went quite high on Friday. We had a gap, but today we are weakening again. And I cannot help but notice this downward resistance. It seemed like everything is aligned right here. Huh? This is a very short-term resistance, but look at how perfectly it is parallel with all of the others. So it is what it is. We don't seem to be strong enough with Tesla to be able to go back to this resistance right here, or even that one. We are just caving into this new one here. So we have a triple resistance. First time we have that. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened today. So the first hour was not too bad, and the first hour came back down to the support that we had here. So this is the support that we had, and it came back up with a longer wick at the bottom. So this is showing some buying pressure, and we still had stochastic. Over 60 at that point. So at that point, we were still okay. But then it's the second hour that got us. The second hour, boom, moved down. Stochastic fell below 60. And you know what that means? It means that the stock is not going back up. It tried to go back up, but it didn't have enough power. And then could only hug this resistance now at 740.65. So it could only hug that a little bit, but it could never muster to go higher. And now it seems to be making a lower high on the last hour. So here the highs were pretty much at 739, 741, and now we have a high at 719. So we see a little bit of weakening here. We could be dropping down back to this downward channel support. So I would say 686 is in the realm of possibilities. Going back to the daily chart, stochastic is caving back in at 1076. MACD is going deeper and deeper in the negative. We have RSI. That's still decreasing, and DMI is still increasing its bearishness. We do have support at 695 here on the daily chart. Let me just switch this also on the hourly chart. And this will give us an indication. Yeah, so I said that we could go back down to 686, but then, of course, I had forgotten the 695.46 that is there. This can influence things a little bit. Yeah, pretty disappointing day compared to what happened on Friday. So we have a 5% down. Let's look at the VIX and the indices, what happened. So VIX is coming down. This should be pushing the stocks up because the volatility is coming down a little bit. This is quite surprising to see Tesla having such a hard time. Even when Dow Jones closed a little bit higher, 0.08%. So Dow Jones is itching higher a little bit. S&P 500 is coming down. So S&P 500 is behaving like Tesla, and NASDAQ Composite also, and NASDAQ 100 also. So it just seems that it's only Dow Jones that could maintain a little bit of, could finish green. But the VIX is coming down, so maybe this is going to have an impact. In fact, it should have an impact tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. And I have a bunch of affiliate links. And I just want to tell you that these affiliate links are products that I use on a daily basis. I am not promoting anything just to make money out of it. These are things that I have been using for years, and they have been giving me these affiliate links for years, and I have never done anything with them. So I just decided to post them there. If you are interested, feel free to use them and save a little bit of money doing so. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.